Viewers, in this problem 6 minus 9 gives us minus 3, and in the premises 6 minus 9 again gives us minus 3. Here we have multiplication outside the premises, and minus 3 into minus 3 gives us positive 9. But this is the wrong answer, because we all know that according to the rules of operation, PEMDAS, first of all we have to do premises, then exponents, then multiplication and division with the equal priority, and addition and subtraction at the end with equal priority, and we have to move from left to right. So according to this rule, if we solve this problem, then we first of all have to do the premises, which will give 6 minus 9 minus 3. Here we have multiplication, here we have subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has the greater priority than the subtraction, so we'll do multiplication first. Minus 9 into minus 3 will give us positive 27. Now we have subtraction here, which will convert into the addition due to the multiplication of two negative signs. So it will equal to 27 plus 6, 33, which is the right answer to this problem. Hit like button.